Are you looking for a Facebook ads, Instagram ads specialist who can help you boost sales, generate high-quality leads, and maximize ROI? You're in the right place. Hello, I am Faridul Islam, founder and CEO of Fion.com and digital marketing specialist. I have more than 10 years of professional experience in digital marketing. Do you want to set up successful Facebook or Instagram ad campaign that can drive more qualified leads or sales for your business with the best marketing strategies? We are a great team of smart people having expert knowledge in digital marketing and generating sales from Facebook and Instagram advertisement. Now, let's discuss about the steps that I choose to make a perfect ad campaign. These steps involve aligning campaign objectives with your business goals, creating buyer personas as per your business needs and audiences, landing page analysis, optimization, and testing, targeted audiences research, custom and lookalike audiences, campaign optimization, and reporting. I have successfully managed over $30+ million in Facebook ad spend and helped businesses achieve 2x, 5x ROAS through data-driven marketing strategies. Whether you're launching a new product or looking to scale your existing brand, I can craft a customized advertising strategy that ensures long-term success. Moreover, in the past 10 years, Facebook ads and Instagram ads, I have had the pleasure of working with clients across a multitude of industries like finance, health, fitness, beauty products, fashion, interior decoration, nutrition health products, organic health products, travel, information technology, internet marketing, social media, consultancy, recruitment, website design, solar, retail, entertainment, renewable energy, electrical, parenting, childcare, professional services, and more. So let's talk. I'm here to answer your questions. Start with a 30-minute consultation or a free introductory call. Send me a message today.